Hey guys, look what arrived today. It's recognition from YouTube of meeting 100,000 subscribers. And I wanted to share it with you. Let's get it open here. I love unpackaging things. My husband hates it because I take forever and I never tear anything. Ooh, this. Inside of the box is black. Woo! Oh my God. There's a beautiful letter inside from the CEO of YouTube. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. That's you guys! I love it! You made this possible! Thank you so much! Oh my God! Oh my God! That is amazing. Oh, it's so beautiful! Look at this! Oh my God! Oh, it's really gorgeous! Oh my God! I honestly did not expect this. I thought it was gonna be kind of, I don't know, just a little button or something. But look at, oh my God. Ah! Presented to Lisa Holt Design for passing 100,000 subscribers. No, you guys are the best. I just love you so much. You've made this journey so wonderful and so happy for me, and I can't wait to do more. Thank you.